Hi guys, it's Suzanne here doing a social networks video. So we're going to work on Scratch today, and our first objective is we're going to animate our own name. Now firstly we go to the website scratch.mit.edu, and then we will then go to sign in, and you put your username and your password. And if you haven't got your own password and username, then you need to register first. Okay, so we've logged in, and we're going to start off. This is how we start off. There's nothing on the actual board. We've got all tabs here: motion, look, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks on the left hand side. And on the right hand side we need to get our backdrop. So this is like the main background, and everything will appear in this part, this square. Okay, so we go to backdrops, and firstly I'm going to pick out my background. So I'm going to choose Metro, which is this one. Okay, then I need to add my letters for my name, but I'm not going to do my full name Suzanne because it's quite long, it's 7 letters. So I'm just going to do the first 3 letters, so S, and then I'm going to go again to the letters to pick U. We'll go to a different one, this one, and then again to the letters, we'll choose a different one, the Z. Okay, so we've got 3 letters. I'm just going to space them out better so you can see them when they're animated. Okay. Right, so we're looking at the S, and we're going to animate this letter S, and we're going to make it change color. So firstly, we will go to the control, which event, which I'm already at. So we can either choose when this sprite clicked, or we can choose the flag, but I'm going to choose when this sprite is clicked. So we're going to put that, and we're going to place it on the middle screen, which is where all the operations occur. So then we need to change the colors. So we go to the looks, and we go down to the bottom where it says change color, and move it underneath this tab. Okay, so now it should change color when I click on this orange thing, or actually on the letter. So let's have a go. So see, so it's changing different color every time I click. Okay, so I'm going to now animate the letter U, which is on this side. So we're going to make it rotate continually. So we go to the control, and we pick up forever. Then we go to the motions, and we pick up turn 15 degrees, and we insert it like so. Then we go to the events, and we pick up when this sprite clicked here. That should work. So let's have a look. There. So it's now animating, rotating round. Okay, now we're going to move on to the Z. So I have to click down here to go on to the Z. So you'll get a Z in the corner, and then you get a blank screen ready to do the operation thing on the Z. So we're going to make it go bigger and smaller. So we go to the control again, we pick up when this sprite is clicked, and we put it like so. Then we go to size. So we need to go to the looks, and we put change size. Now, before I actually click that together, I need to have a repeat. So let's go to the control, and we pick up the repeat 10 times. So we put that here, and then the change size goes inside that block. Okay, then we need to get another repeat, a second repeat. So the first one will be like to increase the size. Then the second one will then be to make it smaller. So I need to pick up another size block, change size by 10. And in the number, instead of having a positive 10, we need a negative 10. So I insert negative 10. Then we'll have a look at the Z, which is here on this side. And let's click and let's watch the Z. Now there you go. Every time I click, it goes from big to small. Now you can change the repeat block and put in a forever block, so it goes in and out continually. So have a go at that. Try to animate it by turning, also changing colours and the size. Also, another animation you can do is gliding as well across the screen. And this you would use in the motion tab here, the glide. Okay, have a go. See if you can do something as good as that or better. I hope you've enjoyed my tutorial video on Scratch, animating your name. I know some of you students have already done that objective. However, I'd like you to look at your original cartoon and evaluate your art animation. This is a simple task because art can be interpreted or seen in many different ways. So we should always try to keep an open mind. So ask yourself these questions. How much time did it take you? Did it take 30 minutes? Did it take an hour? Or did it take 2 hours? Have you spent the time to do the best that you could? Is it a yes or a no? And if not, spend time. We have the time now, don't we? Also, secondly, check the theme. Is it a unique theme? Or is it a common theme? In other words, is it popular theme? Look at other featured projects on the home page. Look at all the types of themes. If you're using a common theme, consider how well it interprets the work in others, which is, why is it so popular? Also, the quality of your creation. So to evaluate the qualities, looking at the animation itself. Look at the colours, look at the animation features, do the colour schemes of your letters work well with your background? Also look at proportions of the letters, the sizes. Are they too big? Are they too small? And does the overall animation result work together? Does the animation attract the attention? Have a look at all this and see if you can improve it. I'm sure you can. Bye bye for now. See you in the second video. Bye.